Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and realizing that you never have to work another day in your life unless you want to. Imagine that while you were sleeping, a small army of invisible workers was tirelessly building wealth for you, stacking dollar bills on your kitchen table, ensuring that your fridge is full, your lights are on, and your future is secure without you lifting a single finger. This sounds like a fantasy or a scam because we have been programmed since birth to believe in a very specific, very brutal equation, which is that time equals money. We are taught that the only way to survive is to trade our life force, hour by hour, for a paycheck that covers the cost of existing. We are taught to be batteries, powering someone else's dream until we are drained and discarded. But there is a secret exit door in this prison of the rat race. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it is not about luck. It is about understanding the mechanics of freedom. It is about shifting your identity from a laborer to an architect. Most people think financial freedom is a single finish line, a vague moment in the distant future where you suddenly become rich, but that is wrong. Freedom happens in 3 distinct life-altering milestones. These are the 3 passive income milestones that change everything, and understanding them is the difference between working until you die and waking up to a life that actually belongs to you. The journey begins in the darkness of the grind where you are currently standing. You are pushing the heavy stone of active income. If you stop pushing, the stone rolls back and crushes you. This is where 99% of the population lives, in a state of perpetual anxiety, one missed paycheck away from disaster. You are buying liabilities that you think are assets. You are buying cars that lose value, clothes that fade, and gadgets that become obsolete, feeding the machine that keeps you enslaved. To escape this, you must stop eating the seeds and start planting them. The first milestone is the hardest to reach because it requires you to sacrifice today's comfort for tomorrow's security, but once you hit it, the entire psychology of your life shifts. This is milestone 1, the shield of survival. Imagine you are standing on a battlefield unprotected and arrows labeled rent, groceries, utilities, and insurance are raining down on you every single month. You have to swing your sword, your active job, frantically just to deflect them. It is exhausting. It is terrifying. But then you invest your first $10,000, then your first $50,000. You buy dividend stocks or a small rental property, or you start a side business that runs on autopilot. Slowly, a small stream of money starts flowing in without your labor. At first, it is just a trickle. Maybe it's $50 a month. It feels insignificant. You might laugh at it. What can $50 do? But you reinvest it. You let it grow. And suddenly that trickle becomes $500 a month, then $1,000. And then you hit the magic number. Your passive income covers your basic survival expenses. Your rent is paid by your investments. Your food is bought by your dividends. This is the shield. For the first time in your life, if you lose your job, you do not die. You do not end up on the street. The arrows of inflation and bills are bouncing off a golden energy field that you built with your own discipline. The psychological weight that lifts off your shoulders at this milestone is indescribable. You are not rich yet. You cannot fly first class or buy a Ferrari. But you are safe. The desperation disappears from your eyes. You walk into work not because you are terrified of starvation, but because you are choosing to be there. You have built a floor beneath your feet that cannot collapse. You have evolved from a survivor to a stabilizer. But you do not stop there, because safety is not freedom. Safety is just the absence of danger. You want the presence of choice. You keep building. You keep feeding the machine. You take every dollar of active income and every dollar of passive income, and you pour it back into the engine. This brings you to the second and most transformative phase of your life. Milestone 2, the chain breaker. Visualize yourself as a marionette puppet. They're thick, heavy strings attached to your arms and legs. These strings are held by your boss, your bank, your creditors, and societal expectations. When they pull the string, you dance. When they say wake up at 6 a.m., you wake up. When they say jump, you jump. This is the reality of the employee. You are trading obedience for money. But as your passive income grows, it starts to equal your active salary. This is the tipping point. This is the moment the matrix glitches. If you earn $5,000 a month from your job, and your investments generate $5,000 a month, you have reached independence. You are holding a giant pair of golden scissors. One by one, you cut the strings. You cut the string of the alarm clock. You cut the string of the commute. You cut the string of the toxic boss. You stand on your own 2 feet, unconnected to any master. This is not just about money. It is about time. You regain ownership of the 24 hours in your day. You realize that the Monday morning blues are a disease you no longer have. You realize that you can work on passion projects, travel, or simply sit in silence, and your net worth will continue to climb. The chain breaker milestone is dangerous for one reason. It is tempting to stop here. It is tempting to retire to a beach and drink margaritas for the rest of your life. And you can do that if you want. But true wealth builders know that this is just the launch pad. The momentum you have built is powerful. The snowball is rolling down the hill, and it is getting bigger and faster. You have stopped working for money, and now money is working feverishly for you. This leads to the final frontier, a place where the laws of financial gravity no longer apply to you. Milestone 3, the velocity escape. In rocket science, escape velocity is the speed needed to break free from a planet's gravitational pull and enter the endless expanse of space. In finance, this happens when your passive income grows faster than you can possibly spend it. This is abundance. At this stage, your money has created babies, and those babies have created babies. You are earning not just on your capital, but on the interest of your interest. It is exponential. You buy a car, and your portfolio generates the cost of that car in 3 days. You go on a luxury vacation, and by the time you come back, you are richer than when you left. The visual here is a rocket ship detaching its heavy boosters and gliding effortlessly into the stars. The struggle is completely gone. The anxiety of the first $100 K feels like a distant memory of a different person. At this milestone, your focus shifts from how do I survive to what is my legacy. You start thinking about generational wealth. You start thinking about how to protect this fortress for your children and your children's children. You become a philanthropist, an angel investor, a creator of opportunities for others. You are no longer playing the game of money. You have beaten the game, and now you are designing the level for others to play. The beauty of Velocity Escape is that it is inevitable if you conquer the first 2 milestones. Once the snowball gets big enough, here is the harsh truth that destroys every obstacle in its path. You cannot jump to milestone 3. You cannot fake the Velocity Escape. You have to endure the shield phase. You have to survive the boring, slow, painful grind of the early days where you are investing $50 and seeing pennies in return. Most people quit before they ever build the shield. They see the flashy lifestyle of the milestone 3 people on social media. The jets, the watches, the mansions. And they try to copy that lifestyle while they are still in the danger zone. They buy the liability before they build the asset. They eat the seed corn before it has a chance to grow into a stalk. This is why they stay broke. This is why 75% of people fail. They do not respect the order of operations. You must be disciplined enough to live like a monk while you build your shield so that you can live like a king when you reach Velocity Escape. You have to fall in love with the process of buying freedom, not things. Every time you buy a share of a stock or a piece of real estate, visualize yourself adding a metal plate to your shield. Visualize yourself filing halfway through one of the puppet strings. It is a game of patience and vision. The market will crash. The economy will wobble. People will tell you that investing is risky. But remember the alternative. The alternative is the risk of being a battery for 40 years. The alternative is the risk of reaching age 65 and realizing you own nothing but memories of a cubicle. That is the true risk. The path is clear. The milestones are set. The math does not lie. The only variable in this equation is you. Are you willing to suffer through the silence of the early days to reach the thunderous applause of freedom? Are you willing to push the boulder until it starts rolling on its own? The 3 milestones are waiting. The shield, the chain breaker, and the Velocity Escape. Your future self is begging you to start building the shield today. Do not let them down. Start with $1. Start with 1 hour. Just start. Because the clock is ticking, and every second you wait is a second of freedom you are stealing from your own life. Break the cycle. Build the machine. And step into the world where you are the master of your fate, not the servant of your wage. The milestones are not just financial targets. They are the coordinates to a new life. Go out there and claim it.